Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the preparations and the chemical characteristic of that is chlorine, and now here we are going to talk about the preparation of hydrochloric acid. So what are those preparations? Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, here I'm going to talk about the preparation of hydrochloride, and that is the reason that I've discussed about the few points related to the preparation of HCl earlier also, but here are the few points that is I'm going to talk about the preparation of hydrochloric acid. That is, whenever NaCl is treated with H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, with a temperature of that is 420 Kelvin, then the product that is what we could get is sodium hydrogen sulfide, along with that is HCl. But this NaHSO4, that is sodium hydrogen sulfate, which on further reaction with NaCl, that is at a temperature of that is 823 Kelvin, we could get that is sodium sulfate along with that is again 1 mole of NaCl. So this is how basically we can convert basically NaCl into HCl, or we can obtain HCl from NaCl, and this reaction was being done that is at 1648. So this is just a reaction, that is what I have discussed here, that is how to prepare that is HCl. While talking about the other reactions is what we have discussed in our previous lectures also. So that's it for now. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.